Hello everyone, I am Abbasov Shamil and I am going to prove two statements from calculus class hard problems. Our first problem is to prove n plus 1 over 2 power n is bigger than n factorial, and I am going to prove it with arithmetic mean bigger than geometric mean inequality. Like from that inequality, in more clear way, it's like a1 m, like a plus b is over 2 is bigger than from square root of a product b. And to use it, we try to prove it. How to do it? Like 1 plus 2 plus 3 till n over n is bigger than 1 2 3 till n. And from there it's obvious that it's sum of numbers from 1 to n, and we use sigma notation in there, and like sigma it's till n, and k starts from 1, k is bigger than, and it's obvious that it's m factorial, and there is m factorial. And we know that it means n times n plus 1 over 2 is that equation sigma over 2, and we have n, and that n's cancel each others, and we have I don't want to write it like that, it's like m factorial over 1 over n. It's true, and we know that we need to get that from there. How to get it? We do that power n. We use power n for both parts, and it happens 1 over n power n. And from there it's obvious that this and this product of them is 1, and we get in the last that m plus 1 over 2 power n is bigger than n factorial, and proof is completed. As you know, it's same with it. And our second problem is to prove that inequality, like 1 over 2 product 3 over 4 product till 2m minus 1 over 2 is bigger than 1 over square root of 2m plus 1. And again we use am bigger than gm inequality, but in a different form. Now I use 2r minus 1 plus 2r plus 1 over 2 is bigger than square root of 2r minus 1 product 2r plus 1. And as you can see, it's 2r and it's same. And in that part we divide both parts with 2r minus 1, like divide with 2r minus 1. And as you can see, we divide it, and from in the square root there is 2r minus 1 as well, and one of them cancel it, and we get this. And we use p notations in there, not sigma. P is product from 1 to n, 2r p to 2r over 2r minus 1 bigger than from 1 to n p square root of 2r plus 1 over 2r minus 1. And what's it in more clear way? In more clear way, it's like 2 product 4 over 3 product 6 over 5 till 2m minus 2n over 2m minus 1 is bigger than. In more clear way, it's like p notations. We put numbers inside the equation. We get square root of 3 over 1 product square root of 5 over 3 product square root of 7 over 5 until square root of 2m plus 1 over 2m minus 1. And as you can see in there we get, and there is square root of 3 as well, and there we get cancelled each other till 2m minus 1, and we get 2n plus 1 over 1 in the right part of the inequality, and in the left part we have same two product 4 over 3 till 2m over 2m minus 1 is bigger than 2m plus 1 over 1. And as you can see, we have that inequality we need to prove, but we get it. How to change it? We divide both parts, like we convert it, and when we convert it, we change the sign of inequality as well, and we get our final inequality. 1 over 2 product 3 over 4 product 5 over 6 till 2n minus 1 over 2n is less than 1 over square root of 2n plus 1, and proof is completed. Thanks for listening.